Okay, so the jungle julep, super good. Tastes a lot like horchata. Here, let's pull it. It has like a caramel kind of sauce on the outside, and it's frozen. It's just like, it's kind of like a frozen slushy horchata with like cinnamon cookie dust in it. It's super good. Elizabeth, sit up here. So the boys are hitting the restroom before we head over to the Adventureland Treehouse. Super good. Are you being cute? Are you being cute? I didn't put any makeup on today, but I wasn't feeling too well this morning. I feel pretty good now, though. Nothing like Disneyland, to show you what. It's actually not that crowded today either, which is weird. It could just be because it's still kind of early in the day, but Alright, we'll do Adventureland Treehouse next.